All right, let's talk about comments. Um, so pretty much any text that you have here, um, the computer is going to try to, it assumes that you're trying to tell it to do something. It's going to assume it's commands or uh, something that it's supposed to be reading and processing. But a lot of times you're not trying to talk to the computer. You're trying to make notes to yourself or make notes to other programmers. Basically, something that humans are supposed to be reading and not computers. Okay. So if you want to do that, you need to turn it into a comment. Now, right now, everything that's in green doesn't do anything in this program. So the only thing that should run here is system.out.println text. So all it's going to do is print text. Okay. So the way that I made this a comment is with //. So if I do delete that, I'm going to get an error. Okay, because it's going, I don't know how to read this. Okay, so we // and that whole line, anything that comes after this is comment. Okay. Sometimes we have a bunch of stuff that we want to contain in a comment. So to open a multi-line comment, we do /*. To close it, we do */. So you can do that to make an inline comment like this, or you can do it as a multi-line comment. And that's really nice when we're typing a bunch of stuff and we want all of it to be comment. Okay. Now, the other role that commenting can play is it can act as kind of an on-off switch for our code. So sometimes you have code that you want not to run right now, but you don't want to delete it. You want it to stay in your code, but you're just, sometimes when you're debugging, you're trying to figure out if this is the code that's broken or this is the code that's broken. So you can turn off some code just by doing //. So I just turned that code back on, and now I've turned it off. So if I do that, that code should run now. Okay. And sometimes you want to do the same thing with a big chunk of code, and you just do a multi-line comment. So this whole thing, I've said, okay, none of that is on right now. So now it's on. So commenting is a tool that you can use both to communicate what your code is doing, but also as a debugging tool to turn stuff on and turn stuff off while you're getting things the way that you want them.